Essential hand tools, the foundation for almost every project. These are the always reach for items that show up in nearly every DIY guide. Hammer, claw hammer for driving, pulling nails. Tape measure, 25 ft locking one is ideal. Screwdriver set, flathead, Phillips and multi-bit ratchet versions. Pliers, needle nose, adjustable groove joint, and wire cutters. Utility knife, with extra blades, and putty knife. Level, bubble or laser for straight lines. Adjustable wrench and Allen, hex key set. Stud finder, for safe wall mounting. 2. Power tools, for speed and bigger jobs. Great for beginners once you have the basics, these handle cutting, drilling, and sanding. Cordless drill, driver, with charger and battery, the #1 most used power tool. Drill bit set, wood, metal, masonry, spade bits, hole saws. Jigsaw or circular saw, for straight curved cuts. Miter saw, for precise angled cuts on trim or frames. Orbital sander or palm sander, for smooth finishes. Hot glue gun, and glue sticks, huge for crafts and quick fixes. 3. Measuring, marking and cutting essentials. Accuracy prevents wasted materials. Carpenter's pencil or marker. Speed square or combination square. Handsaw or miter box plus saw, budget-friendly alternative to power saws. Scissors, heavy-duty or craft pairs. 4. Common materials and supplies, stock these for quick projects. These are the building blocks you'll repurchase often. Wood, lumber, 2x4s, boards, plywood, or scrap wood. Fasteners, nails, screws, various sizes, anchors, and picture hangers. Adhesives, wood glue, super glue, construction adhesive, E6000, Mod Podge. Sandpaper, various grits, and wood filler or spackle. Paint and finishes, primer, paint brushes, rollers, painter's tape, stain, sealant. Hardware, hinges, knobs, pulls, brackets, zip ties. 5. Safety and miscellaneous gear, don't skip these. Safety glasses, goggles. Work gloves. Dust mask or respirator. Ear protection, for power tools. Flashlight or headlamp. Extension cord and power strip. Drop cloth or old sheets. 6. Bonus. Common household items often repurposed in DIY, upcycling favorites. These add a fun, budget-friendly angle to your video, show before, afters. Cardboard, toilet paper, paper towel rolls, egg cartons. Glass jars, tin cans, plastic bottles, containers. Old t-shirts, fabric scraps, for rags, coasters, or braided projects. Pallets, thrift store frames, or furniture for refinishing. Bottle caps, wine corks, or old books.